Hello everyone, this is Suryanshu, and in this video I'll show you how you can change your default WordPress login URL to anything you want. So let's get started. For this video I'll be using a plugin called WPS Hide Login. Simply search this plugin and install it. Activate the plugin. Once done, go to Settings, General. Here you will find a new option for changing your login URL. So for this tutorial I'll be naming it Halo because that's my favorite game. So that's right, HALO, and I'll save it. It's done now, so let's give it a try. As you can see, it's already showing Halo in the URL, so yeah, that's working. But do remember that while changing it, make sure that you remember the new login URL, as in this case I actually forgot mine. So yeah, and that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, please drop down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.